Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to your bank account. The direct connection you might be looking for isn't available, as Trust Wallet is a decentralized platform. Instead, we'll use a common workaround involving a centralized cryptocurrency exchange. This method allows you to convert your digital assets into traditional currency and then withdraw them to your bank. It's a secure and widely used process for managing your crypto holdings. First, select a reliable centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase that supports the specific cryptocurrency you hold and your local fiat currency. Once you've chosen an exchange, log in and find the deposit section for the crypto you wish to transfer. You'll get a unique wallet address. Carefully copy this address, then go to your Trust Wallet, select the cryptocurrency, tap Send, and paste the address. Double-check all details before confirming the transfer. After your cryptocurrency arrives at the exchange, navigate to the Sell or Trade section. Here, you can convert your crypto into your preferred fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. Next, ensure your bank account is securely linked to your exchange account. This usually involves a verification process. Once linked, you can proceed to withdraw the fiat funds directly to your bank account. Processing times can vary, typically from a few hours to several business days. When cashing out, always consider the various fees involved, such as blockchain network fees, trading fees on the exchange, and any withdrawal fees to your bank. Also, remember that centralized exchanges require identity verification, known as KYC, to comply with regulations. This is a crucial step for security and legal compliance. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Always prioritize security and verify all transaction details before confirming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.